Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lingual Lens English.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here with us today.
My name is Daniel, and this is my teaching partner, Daisy. How are you doing today, Daisy?
I'm doing great, Daniel. Thanks for asking. And I hope all our listeners are doing well too.
So, today we have a really useful topic for you. We're going to teach you how to visit the doctor's office in English.
Yes, this is so important because sometimes when we're in a new country, we get sick, right? We catch a cold, or maybe our stomach hurts, or we need to see a doctor.
Exactly. And it can feel scary to speak English at the doctor's office, but don't worry, we're going to show you exactly what to say.
We'll do a role play together. Daniel will be the patient. That means the person who is sick, and I'll be the doctor.
And then we'll review all the important words and phrases.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Okay, so let me set up the scene. Imagine I woke up this morning and I don't feel well.
Oh no, what's wrong?
My throat hurts and I have a headache. I also feel very tired.
That doesn't sound good, so what are you going to do?
I'm going to call the doctor's office and make an appointment. An appointment means a time to meet the doctor.
Good idea. And then you'll go to the clinic. A clinic is a small doctor's office.
Right. So first, I arrive at the doctor's office. I go to the reception desk. That's where the receptionist sits.
Perfect. Okay, everyone, let's start the role play. I'll be the receptionist first, and then I'll be the doctor. Daniel will be the patient. Listen carefully. Good morning. Welcome to Sunset Medical Clinic. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock. My name is Daniel Lee.
Okay, let me check. Yes, I see your name here. Can I see your ID card, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. And do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do. Here's my insurance card.
Perfect. Please fill out this form. It asks about your medical history. That means any health problems you had before.
Okay, no problem. Where should I sit?
You can sit in the waiting room over there. The doctor will call you soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, everyone, let's stop here for a moment. Did you hear some important phrases?
Yes, I have an appointment means you scheduled a time to see the doctor.
And health insurance is the card that helps pay for medical care.
Right. Now, let's practice. Can you say this with us? I have an appointment.
Good. One more. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Okay, let's continue. Now, Daniel is going into the doctor's room. Hello, Daniel. I'm Dr. Roberts. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, doctor.
So, what brings you here today? That means, what's the problem?
Well, I don't feel well. My throat is very sore and I have a bad headache.
I see. How long have you felt this way?
For about 3 days now.
Okay. Do you have a fever? That means, is your body temperature high?
Yes, I think so. I feel hot and cold at the same time.
All right. Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little bit, especially at night.
I understand. Let me check you. Please open your mouth and say, ah. Good. Your throat looks red and swollen. Now, let me listen to your lungs. Take a deep breath in, please. And breathe out. Good. One more time. Deep breath in and out.
Okay.
Everything sounds okay. I think you have a throat infection. That means bacteria or a virus is making your throat sick.
Is it serious?
No, it's not serious, but you need medicine. I'm going to prescribe antibiotics for you. That's medicine that kills bacteria.
Okay. How should I take the medicine?
Take one pill 2 times a day, morning and evening for 7 days, and drink lots of water.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, good question. Take it after you eat. That's better for your stomach.
Okay, I understand.
Also, you should rest at home. Don't go to work for 2 or 3 days.
All right. When should I come back?
Come back in 1 week if you're not feeling better, but I think you'll be fine.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and feel better soon.
Thank you. Now, everyone, after seeing the doctor, I go to the pharmacy. That's where you buy medicine. Let me show you.
I will be the pharmacist now. That's the person who gives you medicine.
Excuse me, I have a prescription from my doctor.
Sure, let me see it. Okay, this will take about 10 minutes to prepare. You can wait here or come back later.
I'll wait here.
How much does it cost? With your insurance, it's only $5.
Okay, thank you.
Here are your pills. Remember to take one pill twice a day with food.
Got it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Feel better.
Okay, everyone, let's practice some phrases together. Are you ready? First phrase, I don't feel well. Can you say it?
I don't feel well.
Great. Next one, my throat hurts. Your turn.
Excellent. How about this? How long have you felt this way? Repeat, please.
Perfect. One more. Take one pill twice a day. Say it with us.
Wonderful job, everyone. Now let's review the most important words from today's lesson.
Okay, appointment. This is the time you schedule to see the doctor. Example, I have an appointment at 3 p.m.
Patient. This is the person who is sick and visits the doctor. Example, the patient is waiting in the room.
Receptionist. This is the person at the front desk who checks you in. Example, the receptionist was very friendly.
Health insurance. This is a card that helps pay for medical costs. Example, do you have health insurance?
Symptom. This is a sign that you're sick, like a headache or fever. Example, what symptoms do you have?
Fever. This means your body temperature is higher than normal. Example, I have a fever of 38 degrees.
Sore throat. This means your throat hurts when you swallow. Example, I have a terrible sore throat.
Cough. This is when air comes out of your throat with a loud sound. Example, I have a bad cough.
Prescribe. This means the doctor writes down what medicine you need. Example, the doctor prescribed antibiotics.
Medicine or medication. These are pills or liquid that help you feel better. Example, take your medicine 3 times a day.
Pill or tablet. This is a small, round piece of medicine. Example, swallow the pill with water.
Pharmacy. This is the place where you buy medicine. Example, I'm going to the pharmacy.
Pharmacist. This is the person who works at the pharmacy. Example, ask the pharmacist if you have questions.
Rest. This means to relax and not work. Example, you should rest for 2 days.
Feel better. This is what we say to wish someone good health. Example, I hope you feel better soon.
Those are your 15 keywords and phrases for today.
Okay, now we have a question for you, our listeners. Here it is. What do you do when you feel sick? Do you go to the doctor right away, or do you wait and rest at home first?
Yes, we want to know. Please leave a comment and tell us. We love reading your answers.
And maybe tell us, what's the most common sickness you get? A cold, a headache, an upset stomach?
We're really curious. Share with us in the comments below.
All right, everyone, that's the end of today's lesson.
We hope this dialogue helps you feel more confident when you visit the doctor in English.
Remember, it's okay to speak slowly. It's okay to ask the doctor to repeat something. Just say, sorry, can you say that again?
Exactly. Doctors and nurses are there to help you. Don't be shy.
And if you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a like and subscribe to Lingualin's English.
Yes, we make new English lessons every week to help you learn real, practical English.
And don't forget, practice makes perfect. Listen to this lesson again. Say the phrases out loud. That's how you improve.
You're doing an amazing job learning English. We're so proud of you.
Keep going, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone.
And stay healthy.
Goodbye.